Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So on this video, I'm going to show you how I install indoor doorknob. So this is the doorknob that we choose. It's Kwikset brand. This doorknob won't lock. So usually you can install this in your closet door or your kids' bedroom so they can't lock themselves. So for installing this doorknob, we need, of course, this one and drill. You can use manual, just Phillips screw. So let's see what's inside. I'm going to show you, and then we're going to install it here. So here you go. Okay. So guys, the set came with, of course, the doorknob handle, and this is the latch bolt, and of course they have this face plate, and of course they have the screw. So this is the regular screw, as you can see, and this is the machine screw. So this screw goes into your doorknob handle, so I will show you later. So look the difference. This is the machine screw and this is regular screw. As you can see, this is flat, this is pointy. So yeah. So guys, let's get started and install the doorknob. So first, we're going to grab our face plate. So this is our face plate. So we're going to put it here, like that. And then we're going to screw it. So guys, I already installed the face plate. So guys, let's install the latch bolt. So this is the latch bolt, and then we're going to insert it here. And then we're going to grab screw and screw it in. Let's screw it, guys. Okay, that's one down. So guys, if you're struggling putting the screw, you can pre-drill it before you put the screw in. So yeah, the latch bolt is installed, so that looks like. So guys, this is our doorknob handle. So of course the handle towards that way. Don't install it this way. Install it this way. So let's remove it. And then this one, we're going to, let's focus you guys. Okay. So guys, this one, we're going to put it in the other side and put it here. We're going to grab our other handle, this one. So we're going to snap this here. And then we're going to grab our machine screw. So this is our machine screw. We're going to put it here. Yeah. And then we're going to drill it. Drill it slowly. Yan guys. So guys, we already put the machine screw And then we're going to put the other one. So you just hold the doorknob handle and turn down. So the other side, and then put the screw. You can feel it if the screw. Okay, that's good. And then we're going to use our drill. Slowly so your handle won't scratch. I want you to see this, guys. Yan. Doorknob installed. So guys, I'm done installing the doorknob. So guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoy and hope you learned something from me. Thank you for watching. See you on my next one. Bye!